in this steel fortress. An amazing transformation from ordinary steel too. The backbone of buildings unfolds every day. Today let's witness together the precise birth journey of steel structure bolts. The story begins with these seemingly ordinary carbon steel wires. In the next 900 seconds, they will undergo a transformative industrial baptism. Step E. Cold heading forming up to 800 tons of pressure ease. Released in an instant. 2. Precisely shape the steel. Look, the hexagonal head is formed in one go, producing 300 bolt heads per minute. An astonishing efficiency. Step 2. Thread rolling. This is not cutting, but clever extrusion through precision dies, allowing perfect threads to grow naturally on the steel surface. This process not only saves materials but also increases thread strength by 40%. Step 3. Quenching rebirth. Tempered in 860 flames and then rapidly cool the internal crystal structure as the steel reorganizes, achieving extraordinary performance of rigidity and flexibility, capable of withstanding dozens of tons of tensile force. Step 4. Quality control. Every bolt undergoes hardness testing, torque trials, and precision measurements. No tiny deviation can escape the sharp eyes of these steel inspectors. Final step. Putting on protective armor. The electro-galvanized layer is like an invisible bulletproof vest for the bolts, resisting 72 hours of salt spray corrosion and ensuring they stand firm for decades in wind and rain. From an ordinary steel bar to the key bound supporting skyscrapers and bridges, every bolt embodies the wisdom and precision of modern industry. This is the power of made in China. Was this industrial craftsmanship impressive? Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth industrial insights. Share this video with your colleagues, and hit the like button if you admire the precision of manufacturing. Don't forget to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on these steel heroes.